Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, we are going to be looking at a popular concept in trading, and that concept is called confluence. Now, you might be wondering what confluence is. Basically, confluence is a situation whereby you have multiple signals telling you the same thing, more than one signal. So you can have two, minimum of two, telling you the same thing. For example, you can have trend line telling you that it is a buy signal you should buy, and then at the same time you can have maybe an indicator um, telling you that you should buy also. In that case, you have a confluence. So when you have two different indicators telling you to buy or telling you to sell or telling you to enter a trade or telling you to exit a trade, basically giving you a signal, it's called confluence. Okay, so we are just going to be looking at confluence as a concept, and then we are just going to be looking at a strategy basically on how to combine multiple signals just to increase the accuracy of your trades. Okay, in this video, maybe you are not used to using multiple indicators. um, don't worry, it's fun. It's fun using multiple indicators. So in this video, we're just gonna be like looking at multiple indicators at the same time, just for the purpose of confluence. Okay, because confluence trading actually helps filter out noise and focus on the most reliable signals. When you have confluence, when you have a lot of indicators giving you one signal, it kind of increases the potency of that signal, right? It doesn't mean that it cannot be faulty sometimes, but when you have multiple indicators telling you to do one thing, it increases the potency, the validity of that signal. Okay, so now let us just add on a few indicators to our charts. I've already added the moving average. Let's add the RSI. Let us add um the stochastic. Sorry, not MACD. I want to add stochastic instead. Let's add stochastics, and let's add another moving average with a different period. This is 21. Okay. Now let's just work with these. Now, in terms of confluence, and let's also set levels, right? Support and resistance levels, because we're also going to be using that. We're dealing with confluence, okay? Now that the chart might look clustered, but it's just because of confluence, right? Okay. Okay. So now we want to enter a buy trade. So we need a buy signal, right? Okay. This is a bullish trend. Let's say we started looking for a buy signal somewhere around here. Okay. Now the moving average has already given us a buy signal right from this place when this crossover happened. You can see the crossover happened around here. So the moving average has already given us a buy signal. That's check. That's the first check. The moving average, we have gotten a confirmation from the moving average 1. Then we got another confirmation from the trend line. You can see these are higher lows. You can see higher lows. So we have two confirmations now, or we have two signals now that is telling us to buy, because you can see that this is a point where prices were bounced off from. So at this third point, we can buy. So the trend line is telling us to buy. This is the second confirmation or the second signal. Then after price broke above this horizontal resistance, it turned into a support. You can see that after price broke above, there was a little bit of a retest. Before the price continued. So the third buy signal came later on from the horizontal support and resistance level. Okay, then now let us go to the RSI. We can see that the RSI is trending upwards, showing bullish momentum. So we've gotten another buy signal from the RSI. And finally, the stochastics, the crossover happened on the stochastics, giving us our giving us our fifth signal. So at this point, is as if the buy is certain. It's just that the signals came at different points. The signal from the MA occurred around here, and then around that same zone, we had a hammer, a bullish candlestick pattern. There is like 6 signals now. So the more signals you have, the stronger the confirmation. So a hammer happened, a bullish crossover happened on the MA. The trend line, we need 2 points to draw the trend line. That's the reason why we can't count this as a signal from the trend line. It starts from the third point. Okay, so the trend line signal came around here. As for the RSI, sorry, the RSI signal also came around here, because at this point the RSI was showing that there was a weakening in bullish momentum because of this sideways movement. So it was now somewhere around here that the RSI now gave its own bullish signal, because we can see that it started pointing back upwards again, continuing this trend. Okay, continuing this trend. So the RSI gave our buy signal somewhere around here, just not long from where the trend line gave its signal. Okay, so if we needed two confirmations, we would have used the confirmation. If we needed two confirmations, we would have waited after the MA crossed over and after this hammer formed. We would have waited for another confirmation from the trend line, from the RSI, or from the trend line and from the stochastics, or from, but it happened that both the trend line, the RSI, and the stochastics all gave us a buy signal at the same time. So that is giving us a confluence. So that is what confluence basically means. So this is just like a real example. So for a bearish trend, it's just the opposite. When you have, if you are using all these indicators also, when you have maybe a bearish crossover and you have stochastics pointing downward, this is another confluence. We have another confluence around here because there was a bearish crossover from the MA. The RSI is pointing downwards, coming from the overbought region. At the same time, stochastics is coming from the overbought region, pointing downwards. So we had another confluence here, giving us a sell signal. So basically, that is what confluence means. You can use confluence to improve your trading accuracy when you have multiple signals from different indicators. So I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get updated on more videos for more trading insights. Cheers and happy trading.